Alright, welcome to Malkirsens and Kuben's YouTube profile. But as you see, Patrick is not here, so I'm just doing a solo with a friend who's on camera. Sweet. And this is what I'm going to do tonight. Something, it's actually a Hungarian dish, lecture or something, but I've just added some extra stuff, carrots and mushrooms, and then some really weird meat. I don't even think it's meat, but it's tasty, and I don't know what to say else about it, but it's pretty weird, but it tastes good. So anyway, what I'm going to do is take the garlic and onions first, and then afterwards the peppers. Normal pepper and Turkish pepper, which is like hiding down there and saying there. I can't stop eating. Anyway, then tomatoes, and then this and this, the carrots and the, I guess, meat. And then when it's done fried, we have all this nasty but delicious rice. So I'll just start fry it, and then we will come back to how it looks afterwards. So yeah.
Woohoo! Go.
Okay, I want to show you something. I want to be mainstream, of course. Oh, it's not going very well.
No.
I have no knowledge for this.
Nice turning off the lights though.
Yeah, I'm a professional. Yeah, we're not good. We're not getting anything to eat this night. No. Maybe no.
You're just gonna eat it before you even fry it.
It's actually delicious.
Go out to the kitchen, suckers! Seriously, I'm gonna make filming people a hobby of mine.
Yeah?
Filming people without them knowing, like a creeper.
Yeah? You should do that. I will hire you.
Private detective.
Private detective stalker.
Minky. That would be pretty cool.
You wanna see what's in my kitchen? Okay, we have salad. We have butter, 5 kilos potatoes, eggs, something down there. I think it's the dead body. The Danish milk. And there her. But she's not. Yeah, she's in my kitchen, but she's not in my fridge.
Oh, I wish
Kitchen.
I could fit in there.
Fridge.
Point the camera at me and say kitchen. Thanks. Like, there's a compliment.
What?
Awesome camera woman. Oh yeah, shake it. Shake it, boy.
This is how we clean. Let me try again.
I don't understand.
This is how we do food in my kitchen.
Yeah, we do the food. Oh yes, we're good. Go away.
I think she's scared to see you guys. Anyway, this is soon done. Oh, sorry. This is very soon done, and yeah. yeah, I guess it's time to eat soon. And then the rice is here, and when it's together, it's going to be a very good mix. But I actually don't remember what I put in it. So, but anyway, just make a lot of things and put it together, and then you get something good, mostly. So we are back to the food. And the rice.
Oh yeah.
And the girl.
Oh yeah.
So, take a plate. Take 2 plates. Oh, you have it in there. Run! Run!
I'm gonna fall in the
Take some.
So demanding.
Yes, I am.
What do you have?
Somewhere.
Oh, well, the
You guessed right.
I put it there myself earlier today.
No, that's
Yes, I
just a lie.
No, because it was a part of the dishes I was so nice to give you.
I don't know anything about that.
Oh, we should not talk about trash can.
Yeah, that would be sad. Those who watch this every day. This is teamwork. Oh, it's beautiful. You want more? You want more? I can see you
I
want more.
want more.
Talk dirty to me. Alright, so this is how it can end up looking. Which is pretty decent for a fucking food. Oh. Yeah, it's so good that we are taking pictures.
Yup, definitely.
Now time to taste it. Wish us luck and goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.